At the Floor Plan Guy, we believe every dealership is like an aircraft, built with power, potential, and purpose. But to reach its full altitude, it needs lift, direction, and a disciplined flight plan. Your flight path of utilization represents the stages of your business journey as you learn to leverage your floor plan more efficiently, manage your inventory rotation, and strengthen your operations. Each phase builds on the one before it, preparing your dealership to fly higher, faster, and with greater stability. Preparing for takeoff. This is the first stage, the taxi phase, where you are currently using 0% to 30% of your floor plan. Every flight begins on the ground, engines warming, systems being checked, and directions set. This stage is where your dealership establishes its foundation. Together, we align your sales, buying strategy, and inventory discipline. You begin to understand how your floor plan capital works for you, not against you. The goal here is to build trust, organization, and structure. The focus is in learning systems, developing consistency, and setting short-term goals. Gaining lift and momentum. This is the second stage, the takeoff phase, where you are using 30% to 60% of your floor plan. Now the plane begins to leave the ground. You've built momentum, your utilization is growing, and your dealership is gaining lift. At this stage, you're becoming more confident using your line of credit strategically to buy and turn inventory. The goal here is to build momentum through consistent utilization and disciplined purchases. The focus is to increase retail activity, improve cash flow, and reduce aged inventory. Stable altitude and controlled growth. This is the third stage, the cruise phase, where you are now using 60% to 75% of your floor plan. You're now flying at a steady altitude, operations are stable, inventory is balanced, and profitability is consistent. Your systems are working, and your dealership can navigate market turbulence with confidence. The goal now is to maintain balance and operational control. The focus is to optimize your retail to wholesale mix, strengthen your rotation process, and reinvest profits wisely. Peak altitude, efficiency, speed, and mastery. This is the fourth and last stage, the jet stream phase, where you are using over 75% of your floor plan. This is where elite dealerships operate. In the jet stream, every part of your business, retail, wholesale, floor plan, and operations, is aligned and performing at maximum efficiency. Cash flow is optimized, inventory turns are quick, and profitability is strong. The goal now is to sustain peak performance and disciplined operations. Our focus is the continuous improvement, long-term stability, and expansion opportunities. Just like a pilot relies on instruments and discipline to stay on course, your dealership relies on consistent systems, accurate tracking, and partnership. The flight path of utilization ensures that every dealer has a clear destination, profitability and stability, a flight plan, the growth roadmap, a co-pilot, the floor plan guy, your partner in success. Our goal isn't just to get you off the ground, it's to help you reach and stay in the jet stream. Together, we'll keep your dealership flying high with efficiency, control, and long-term profitability. So stop waiting and take your dealership to the next level. Visit us at thefloorplanguy.com to get started today.